Running a meeting with people in the room and people on screen sounds simple, but keeping both sides engaged at the same time is a challenge that most teams still haven't figured out. Here's how to make both sides feel equally present for a smooth meeting experience. Let's start with the right technology. The host should have equipment that supports both in-room and remote attendees, like high-quality cameras, professional microphones, speakers, display screens or projectors, a laptop or computer for hosting hybrid events, reliable network connection, backup power, and cables. As for remote participants, the setup includes webcam headset with microphone for clear audio, stable internet connection, good lighting, and a quiet environment. Once your equipment is ready, it's time to set up the actual Zoom hybrid meeting. Schedule your Zoom meeting by clicking the calendar icon in your app. Next, fill out the necessary details like adding a meeting title, date, and invites. Now, let's enable hybrid-friendly features like adding a whiteboard. You can choose from the templates that fit your meeting. If you don't like whiteboards, you can also activate docs for your notes. Next, enable waiting room to monitor the participants joining the meeting. Activating AI companion and meeting chats could be helpful as well. Here's the list of other features that you can activate that could help your hybrid meeting be more interactive and engaging. Lastly, click Options. Under Alternative Hosts, assign a co-host to your meeting. He or she helps manage chat, questions, and the waiting room. And since hybrid meetings move fast, it's easy to miss key points, especially when you're managing two audiences at the same time. That's where Tactiq comes in. It transcribes every voice, in-room and remote, in real time. The transcript comes with speaker labels and key moments flagged automatically. When the meeting ends, your summary, decisions, and action items are automatically generated and is ready to be copied or sent to Google Docs, Notion, or Slack. Want to simplify your next hybrid meeting? Install the free Tactiq Chrome extension and let AI handle your notes while you focus on the conversation. Subscribe for more Zoom meeting tips.